STSS stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Sharps Technology stock is sitting at 21 cents, 15% down. So where are we heading next? First thing that I want to say and mention is that this is just melting. This is just... it's not something that I'm going to buy. Let's put it this way. Yeah, man. It's sitting at all-time lows this previous week. I mean, I've had some other receipts with STSS, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't seem to show up, but still on my YouTube channel. I mean, I'm the only guy that has done this much videos in YouTube. 37,000 from this type of character regarding stocks. So, having also invested 5 figures in courses and mentors, I know what's been making me money and what's not. And guess what? Like, without my rules being met, I'm just not going to assume that it will go down. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.